G'day, welcome to the Crazy Garden Railway, New Zealand. Well, been a busy day yesterday and I'm just about to put an hour of work in now. It's been a really busy weekend with my other stuff and some of my community board work, which I've been doing today, meeting people about issues that they have concerns with. But anyway, some time now for myself. So I have been, as you know, really busy sorting out this cab to be moved forward, so it's going to go onto that support there, and I have been doubling up underneath this frame, so it's now two 100 by 100s all fully bolted, nice and ultra tight, and the same on the other side. You can see the bolts all hanging down, M12s, M10s, just a bit of a mixture. These here aren't really doing anything, it's really just while I was working under it as an extra protection. Don't really need it, to be fair. So that's all been done. Took me ages, but hey, I'd rather put the time in now, not have to worry about any issues later. And of course the wheels are now removed, which are just sitting under there, and when the cab's moved they will be pulled out. So what I'm doing now is I need to really make sure the cab is attached to the subfloor. So here, this goes through the cab floor, which is probably 5 or 6 mil plate into the frame, in the subframe, and I'm about to do the same in here. So I have to drill through this metal where this washer is, and then there'll be a 250mm bolt that goes through that metal, through that beam, basically making sure the cab is secure to the subframe, so when it's lifted the subframe does not pull away from the underneath of the cab. That would not be ideal. So this one here I can do okay without lifting the floor, but under here where all the tools are, I'll have to move all that and drill the holes through there. And I really hope that the drills I've just bought are up to the job, or the drill bits I've just bought, I should say. So I'll get into it and we'll see how we go. Okay, so I've got these bolts through here on the floor and over here, which take it right through to the main beam underneath. So that will be the front of it pretty much all supported. So that's this part on the top side done, but do need to have a bit of a clean out in here. A lot of crap under here. Okay, so there's the nose cone off the DG sitting there now. I've just pulled that off right in front of the DC. So just about done pretty much. I've cleaned out all the rubbish, bits of wood and blocks and everything, even the wheels which is sitting there now, the jigger wheels, and it's all pretty clean under here. Just an old sleeper. Here everything is as it should be, and just sorting out the front here. So these bolts I need access to, same with that one. Gonna need to remove that and pull the bit of ply out. That ply's only really there for if I put insulation in, it sort of stops it dropping out the bottom. So the front's all exposed. It's looking pretty bare to the bones again, like it did when it first arrived. So pretty much ready for the big move. And once the front of it here, so these are doubled up 100 by 100s. This one here will be sitting on this, and this one here with the straps on top of the existing supports over there will be on here. So once it's settled in place, these bolts will be replaced with bolts that will be 350mm long, M12s, and then bolted through. So this ain't going to be going nowhere. It's going to be extremely secure, and as you know, will be 100mm higher than its current height. You just need to trim that pile off. It's about 2mm too high, so I want it to be nice and even. So I'll get that done, and that is where we're at the Crazy Garden Railway. So busy weekend.